purchase requisition is an internal document used to raise a request when a user needs to purchase or order a product or service on behalf of the organization. The purchase requisition process plays a key role in the buying process of an organization. This document informs the purchasing staff about the requirement of the requested product or service so that the process of purchasing the product or service is kickstarted. In manufacturing industry, the material requirement planning will be based on bill of material. Based on the bill of material, requirement will be generated. The production staff can generate the purchase request based on this requirement. To generate the purchase request, click Module, click Production, click Planning, finally click Purchase Request. Request for field includes two options. One is production consumables and the other one is others, which is not used for production. Select the desired option. Department name will appear automatically based on the user login. Purchase request number will be generated automatically based on the auto number configuration. Purchase request date will be today's date. Reference number can be updated here. Special remarks column is used to update if there is any specific requirement. Click Item Help. 3 types of options are provided here. First one is Item Master. If you chose Item Master, the master data will appear here. You can give purchase request for desired items. The second option is Planning. This option can be chosen if the request is raised from the material requirement planning. And the final option is Individual Plan. Individual Plan is the one where the purchase request for a specific plan can be generated, so that you can always have a track for the customer order planning and to check if the purchase request is generated or not. The difference between Planning option and the Individual Plan option is, if a purchase request is raised through Planning option, the material requirements of many customer orders can be clubbed into one request. If the purchase request is raised through Individual Plan option, the request would be selected from the material requirement module for that particular customer order only. Select the item by clicking Select, select the specification. Manufacturer list will appear from Approved Manufacturer list. Desired manufacturer can be selected from this list. Required quantity will appear from the material requirement planning. In case if the manufacturer has any minimum bag quantity, it will appear here. After adjusting the minimum bag quantity, final required quantity will appear here. If you opted for Individual Plan option, then the plan number will appear here automatically for tracking the order. Item required on or before date should be updated here. Just click the Add button to add the item. To add more items, the same process can be repeated. Finally, approver name has to be selected. Based on the general configuration, the approver can be chosen. If Allow Purchase Request User to Select Approver option is enabled in the general configuration, the approver in the purchase request can be selected. If this option is disabled, then user cannot select the approver in the purchase request. Now the user Alfie is selected as an approver. The purchase request can then be saved. Once the purchase request is saved, an email will be sent to the approver to approve the purchase request. To approve the purchase request, the approver should choose the menu Approval and then Production and then the purchase request. List of purchase request will appear here. User can view the purchase request by clicking the View option. In case if the approver wants to share any information to the purchase requester, he can use the Note option. Purchase request can be approved or pending or not approved. Here, the purchase request is approved. Once the purchase request is approved, an email will be sent to the purchase manager or purchase staff about this request as per the process flow mail configuration done by the administrator. Purchase department can take necessary steps based on this request. Please check our vendor purchase order module video for more information. To view the previous purchase request, click the List button. The previous purchase requests will be displayed. To view or modify or delete a particular purchase request, the Select option can be used. Any modification and deletion is possible only before raising the purchase order. Once the purchase order is generated, purchase request cannot be modified or deleted. The reason for modification or deletion is mandatory to update or delete a purchase request. Click New to clear the screen and the system will be ready for the next purchase request. To get assistance through tutorial video, the Help button can be clicked. The best part of this module is that, on receipt of the requested material, the employee who raised the purchase request will be informed automatically without a need for the store's person to update it. The system will take care of this by sending automatic email alert and SMS without any human intervention. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching the purchase request module. If you need any further technical assistance, please call our helpline or write a mail to support@alfie.in. Visit our website www.alfie.in.